hell is that? Right there. Guess you're getting off, huh? Put down the food and watch where you're going, lady. Is there one of those down here? Oh, Jesus! Get your foot about. Did what just happened? Just what I think happened? What? Ready? Below the stop sign. Yes, you did. You're supposed to stop before you turn, you know. You know, so are you. Jesus. God, you fucking asshole. And direct to the left lane, Honda. Jesus Christ. Amok. Jesus Christ, there. Get $5 in the bank, you have to drive like you own the fucking roads. What the fuck is that? Hyundai dope dope. Would you make up your friggin' mind? Do you have any idea where the frig you're going? Come on, go! Chances you're gonna stop for the stop sign. None. None at all. I'm going to leave the camera rolling while I'm in the store and watch everybody roll the stops. I'll count them when I come out. I think that one just counted as a roll. Yeah, that was definitely, yeah. She didn't stop at all. And another one, yeah. Yep. Back in a flash. needed, but I'm sure I get some stunning footage. Oh, there goes another one. The fucking idiot! Yeah, that was stop sign Chevy and BMW. I'm just gonna assume you have it. Fucking stop signs. The fuck? Fuck you! I've had enough of you. Really? Congratulations, you're first at the fucking red light, lady. Well, I just didn't fucking stay home today. I don't know. We're gonna stop. No! What a shock. What a friggin' shock. Yep, that wasn't a stop. So, hey, look, free high chair. And stop sign. Here we go. Flashing red, just like a stop sign. So, you gonna sit there all day? Oh, you're gonna sit there all day, lady. Come on. Jesus Christ. And roll it. And roll it. Just like a stop sign, kids. And that was a stop sign. My long nightmare is over. Finally found some Lysol. Two lanes can turn left here. Ah! Jesus Christ. Welcome to Connecticut. Stay in your lane, Tesla. Music in the air. Stop before you turn. Close your back door. Barnes & Noble. There's Wally World. Hey, Wally. How you doing? Hey, how's that stop sign? I have a feeling that I am somewhere near that. Yeah, you're supposed to stop, dude. You know, that's what the stop sign's for. Are you gonna stop for this one? No. I'm an idiot who talks to himself all fucking day long. It's not a dry cough. Oh, Jesus Christ. These Stop before you turn. Yeah. Line up again for friggin' Starbucks. Round the building it goes. What the hell are you doing, Stu? You just... What the fuck? You just... Okay, are you gonna stop for the stop sign? Not really, no. Oh look, Camry in the left lane, not passing anybody, just hanging in the left lane. You know, just Camry. He's gonna notice the person coming up behind him? Or is the person, another Camry, has to pass him on the right. Two Camrys had to pass him on the right. There you go! Wakey, wakey, wakey! Finally figured it out. At least 3 cars had to pass you before you woke up. Nice fake scoop, douchebag. I thought J.C. Whitney went out of business. Hey, wait, hello, hello, hi, you fucking awake back there, dude? Oh, fuck. How you doing? What the hell, man? It's not windy out, I mean, what the hell? Why are you slowing, stupid? Go! See, this is what you cause. You're not supposed to change lanes in the construction zone. You can get off my tail, lady. Thank you. Oh, fuck you. Dingleberry. Alright, I'm gonna stop and then I turn. Fire engine just rolled the stop sign. I'm highly disappointed. And yeah, that was a roll too. That was total blow back there.